Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and it's that time of the month again when it's time to share with you guys the top 10 iOS apps for the month of March. So let's begin. So the first one is called Lookmark. So Lookmark is a fantastic app to add apps to your wish list from the App Store. So I've been using Lookmark just for that ever since Apple decided to take away that feature from the App Store. Lookmark has been my go-to app to add apps to my wish list so I can keep track of apps I need to download and try out for future reviews and all the other great stuff. Next, we have Leer. So Leer is a RSS feed app for RSS subscriptions that you follow. So I use this app to to download, to follow blogs from the Apple fan or the Android fan base. It's just a great way to keep track of every subscription RSS feed that you follow. And it's just a really simple, easy to use app. It's really powerful. There's a lot of customization tools in it, and there's just my go-to app for RSS feed reading. Next, we have Jot. So Jot is a super simple note-taking app. So there's only two things you could do. You can only do three things, inside this app. And that's first thing is note-taking. Next is adding a reminders. And then after that is adding a checklist feature to it. I use Jot to write down notes quickly when I have video ideas or just notes that I need to take down for a video before I start recording. It's just a really easy to use app, super simple, and it's just my go-to note-taking app at this moment. Next, we have Carrot Weather. So Carrot Weather is just a fantastic weather app for iOS. And it's just a great companion app also for the Apple Watch as well. Carrot Weather is a very powerful weather app. There's some great notifications, easy to read, and just looks really, really great on the iPhone as well. And one of my favorite features, of course, right now is changing the app icons on Carrot Weather. Next, we have Halide. So Halide is a camera app for iOS, and it's a very powerful camera app if you enjoy shooting photos in RAW. So Halide released this feature a while back ago, or maybe a few weeks ago, where now they support portrait thanks to the, I think, API in the iPhone, if I'm not mistaken. So Halide supports portrait mode when you take a picture, and it just looks really great, fantastic, and it's super powerful, like I said, and it's my go-to camera app rather than using the default iPhone camera app. Next, we have HeartWatch. So HeartWatch is a great way to keep track of your heart rate and just easy to read data from the Apple Watch that collects when you are wearing it. And I've been using HeartWatch, of course, for a while now, and I just like checking out my data from my heart rate and see when was the lowest point or when was the highest point throughout the day while using while using my Apple Watch to track my heart rate. So HeartWatch is just a fantastic way to keep track of your heart rate and see all the data. Really simple and really nice. Next, we have Apollo. So Apollo is a third-party Reddit client for iOS. It's just a really fantastic Reddit client. Looks really nice, really great. So if you're a Reddit user and you go on Reddit every single day, I highly recommend you guys go check out this Reddit client app because it looks really great, very powerful, super simple, and it's just super clean as well, the design, and it's easy to use as well. So yeah, just a really fantastic app to check out. Next, we have Tweetbot. So Tweetbot is a third-party Twitter app for iOS, and it's just a really fantastic way to use Twitter if you're not a fan of the default Twitter app. It's just super simple to use as well, and of course it doesn't do the algorithmic timeline. So if you're not a fan of the Twitter timeline, and you want the old timeline from from the old Twitter, then Tweetbot, of course, has that feature right there as well. So yeah, it's just a really fantastic app to use if you like using Twitter and you tweet a lot. I highly recommend go check out Tweetbot. Next, we have YTCount. So YTCount is just a great way to follow your favorite YouTubers, or if you are a YouTuber and you want to see how much subscribers you have, it's just a really fantastic, easy to read, super simple to see how much subscribers you have, but also you get to see your analytics a little bit. So you get to see how your high point of how many people are subscribing to your channel every day and your channel views as well. It's just a fantastic app to use. And not least but not last, we have Cesium, if I'm pronouncing that right. So Cesium is a music app. So if you're not a fan of the music app, the default music app from Apple, I highly recommend you guys go check out Cesium. Super powerful, super customizable as well. It's just a really fantastic music player to use. I've been using this for a while now, and it's just my favorite music player on iOS. So yeah, those are the top 10 iOS apps for the month of March. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, it'll be pretty cool if you could subscribe, or even better, like the video. So that's it for now, guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace.